Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something a bit different, and that is how to reset the service light on the Range Rover Evoque. Now of course this message appears when a service is due, but annoyingly sometimes garages forget to reset the service interval and then you're stuck with this message until the next service. Or you may have serviced your vehicle yourself and want to know how to clear it without having to use an OBD scanner tool. To begin with, we're going to need to open the bonnet. Now that we have opened the bonnet, we just need to head back to the vehicle and turn the ignition on without starting the vehicle. At this point, we're going to push the accelerator and the brake in at the same time. We're going to hold this down for 60 seconds. Just to make you aware that if you read any online guides, it does say that you only need to hold the accelerator and brake in for 15 seconds. Now I found anything under 30 seconds wasn't resetting it for me, so I just set myself a time of 1 minute and that made sure that it was reset when I let go of them. While this is going on, it will give me a chance to mention to you guys about my new store. My store that sells decals and graphics for these vehicles, as well as a few accessories and a range of clothing. Every purchase on this website will obviously go straight back into my YouTube channel, so it will help me make better content for you guys. My website will also contain potential future projects, so that you guys can see what this money is going towards. I've popped a link in the description down below, so please don't hesitate to check it out. And we're now at the point where we can go ahead and release the brake and accelerator. After this, we can go and close the bonnet and then head back into the vehicle. Once we're in the vehicle, we just need to turn the ignition off and then wait a few seconds before starting the vehicle. And at this point, the service required message should have disappeared, and it should only come back on when the next service is due, which would be programmed in by Jaguar Land Rover, so whether it be 12,000 miles or 1 year from now. If you found this video useful, please do hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't hesitate to check out any of my other videos. You may find something else useful to you. Thanks for watching guys, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.